And this right here is where the hole is that the water is actually erupted from the upper hole. We've got some rocks stuffed into that hole right there. We're going to put some clay on top of this. Okay, now we've got the hole covered with some clay, and we're going to put the bento mat little patch just over the holes themselves, and then cover it back with clay, and then get the bento mat going all the way down afterwards. You got plenty of dirt right there behind you can grab and put down there. Just kind of compact that up against it too, like you did Monday. Now what we're doing is just got another layer of clay on top of that, kind of contouring that to the ditch in preparation for tying it in up here at the top. We're going to tie that in and go over the other hole right down here at the bottom, about 20 yards down below. We'll put the bento mat right on top of this clay, and then another layer of clay on top of that. Then our geotextile plastic, the 12 mil on top of that, and then put riprap. Okay, we've got the clay compacted now in preparation for putting down the bento mat. And the last step in the process, getting the riprap down on top of the liner.